mong Team Komunidad sa Grade 2. Ngayon, paparinig ko sa'yo ang tula ko. Ang komunidad ko. Pasig ang komunidad ko. Sa Metro Manila ito makikita. Si Vico Soto ang pinuno rito. Namumuno siya sa 17,000 katao. Tagalog ang wika ng mga tao rito. Maganda at payapa ang komunidad ko. Bye! Paalam! Maraming salamat! Hayo! It's me! Mariko Tildong, Team Components Grade 2. Today I'm gonna be showing you the population in the old times. Yeah.
So, tell me na, what is this graph? Read the
Oh.
top one.
What Philippines population
Live. Ano yung
Live.
live? What's that live? What does that live mean?
I don't know.
Live means this is what the current population is.
Oh,
Okay. Show me, read it for me.
okay. Philippine population.
Sa taas, the live one. How do you read that number?
150.
Ano ng place yan? Place one.
115 million.
Next,
965,370.
Okay, now show us the graph. What does this graph explain? The one below that graph. What is that?
Philippine population.
From what date? From what year?
I'm not really reading years.
1950
1950.
until what's the current year?
2024.
2024. So what did you see in the orange? What are those numbers?
1 million.
Those are the population. Start from the bottom. How do you say that number at the bottom? The
What
first
number?
one. The very first at
The
the
red
bottom.
one.
The orange one.
Oh, this.
How do you say that number?
2 million.
No. After the 2, there's a 0. So what is it?
20 million.
Okay, the one above it is?
40 million.
The one above it is?
60 million.
What about above?
80 million.
And the top one?
1 million.
100
100
million. So when did it start? From what year down? Look at the green one at the bottom. On the year 1960, what do you think is the population? The growth started from?
From
Saan nakatapat yung graph? Almost close to what million?
this.
Yeah,
red
the one on top. The one on
OMG!
top.
That's when my grandma was born.
When was your grandma born? Which part of it is it in the graph?
This.
Yeah, 1958 is when your grandma was born.
She is really old.
And at that time, the graph is here below 20 million, but it's almost going
Do
up.
dinosaurs exist in that
Of
time?
course not. Okay, and then, coming to what's the next year after 1960? I think it skipped count into 10 years. After 1960, what's the year?
1970.
And then followed by?
This is the time you were born.
What is that? What year? 1981.
1981.
Okay, what is this year? Every 10 years, the you're skipping. And then it skipped the following year? 1990.
1990.
Followed by?
2000.
And then, followed by year?
2001.
2010. And then followed by?
2020.
2020. So, Mom was born when?
1981.
At that time, almost 60 million na. 60 million yung growth. But when it reached your time, when were you born?
2017.
Then it was almost going up. Andito na. 80,000 until now we are how How big is our
100 million.
115 million, 965,000,
That's a big number.
370, but ano ba? Teka, we will see the population.
Okay.
If tama ba yan sa worldometer. This is where mom got the population.
Oh. But
What
also
does it say? Worldometer.
and also don't mind the background
Oh.
noise.
Now it became ano na?
What?
I just checked it again and it became how much? See,
That's a
kanina
big
370 lang. Ngayon, ilan na? Again, say it. 100?
I can't even read that number. It's so big.
115 million, 965,000, 392. Kanina, 370 when we were checking and making this graph. Now, the worldometer says, read,
159
million,
15 million 965,000 393.
93. Kanina 92, ngayon 93 na when we are reading it. Okay, let's refresh again. How much will it be? Because I think this counts every minute. Every minute someone is born, diba?
Yeah.
Okay, now, hindi na 93 kanina.
What the?
Maybe if you wait a few minutes, then it becomes 394. That's how, it did! Okay, read again for the final time.
What the?
At 11:09 a.m.
Wait, what if the next day you woke up and it's already a trillion?
Yes, yeah. Okay, read again. How much is the Philippine population at 11:09 a.m. Dubai time? Ilan? Read again.
150 million 965,000. It just, tingnan mo!
300.
It just changed!
Yeah, it just changed.
What the?
That's the worldometer for you.
I wonder what the number would be when it became night. This is so surprising.
Okay, tomorrow morning we will check again.
Okay, we will make a part 3.
So, in practical ways, Chloe, you can use your skip counting at saka yung place value mo, that's what we learned in math.
Yeah.
Pagka gumagawa ka ng mga graph na ganyan. So, you can use it when you report something. Cool?
It changes every 3 minutes.
Sige.
Bye, y'all! Nagulat ako.